Want to impress on your first date? These 15 gorgeous hairstyles will make sure you feel confident and look unforgettable. 1. Loose romantic waves. Soft, flowing waves create a natural, feminine charm, perfect for medium to long hair and ideal for softening angular face shapes. 2. Sleek low ponytail. A polished low ponytail gives off a chic, elegant vibe, best for oval or heart-shaped faces with straight or smooth hair texture. 3. Half-up braided crown. This whimsical style mixes romance and structure, ideal for long hair, especially for round faces wanting subtle lift at the crown. 4. Side swept curls. Cascading curls swept to one side enhance facial symmetry, great for formal dates and flattering on square and oval faces. 5. Textured bob with volume, effortless and trendy. This works wonderfully for short to medium hair, best for women with fine or flat hair seeking extra body. 6. Low messy bun with face-framing strands. This laid-back style looks romantic and carefree, ideal for relaxed outings and suits almost all face shapes. 7. High sleek ponytail, sharp and sexy. This style works for bold personalities, best for showcasing cheekbones and clean makeup looks. 8. Beachy texture with curtain bangs, flirty and casual. This style frames the face softly, perfect for women with oval or round faces and natural waves. 9. Classic French twist, timeless and sophisticated. This updo is great for formal dinners, best for long hair and suits mature features. 10. Side braid with loose ends, adds a playful, romantic touch while keeping hair under control, suits all ages and works well with wavy or thick hair. 11. Straight hair with glossy finish, simple, clean, and confident, ideal for showcasing healthy hair and suits square or round face shapes. 12. Voluminous blowout, bouncy and full of movement. This glamorous look is perfect for women with medium to long hair and works well for heart-shaped faces. 13. Curled bob, adds volume and elegance without going overboard, great for women over 30 and complements oval and long faces. 14. Fishtail side braid, chic and detailed. This braid adds a bit of drama, ideal for thick or textured hair and long face shapes. 15. Low Twisted Chignon, elegant and romantic. This is a go-to for dinner dates. Works beautifully on longer necks and suits fine to medium hair.